Today we can draw a watercolor. First we should use blue color. Some portions use light color, some portions use dark color. This for sky. Then we can apply red color. This like some portions use light and some portions use dark. Then we can use yellow color. After that we should mix black color for red and green. That is black color. We can mixing this like that is red. That is black color. This black color use we can apply so many dark portions. Then we can use a small brush for a boat. We can draw a boat. We can use that black color. Black color means mixing black color. That is red and green. Dark red and green mixing we can give. Then this dark color use we can draw this like a separations of land. Then we can color it this like water flows and water flows. Then this like clouds. After that we can draw dark blue color for clouds. Just like. Then we should smudging this black color and blue color. Then we should draw for a river flow. Just like. After that we should use black color for this like another river flows. Are you interested in this video? You should subscribe and share this video. We will meet next video. Thank you. Are you interested in drawing class? Please join this class.